guys! Hello! Good morning! Kamusta? Hello guys! First time vloggers and first time ko pa lang na magba-vlog. So, ako pala si Josa. So, first time in the vlog, sinabi ko yung pangalan. Malamang sasabihin ko, di ba? Oh my gosh, okay tumawa guys ha. Pero, first time in my job, first time in the job, sorry. May paparating guys ha, may paparating. Ayan. Hello guys. Okay. Diyan pa ba kayo guys? Okay. Guys ha. First time ko lang to guys. So, in first my video. May pupuntahan tayo guys. Sige po sumama guys. Okay lang sa akin. Hindi kayo sumama sa akin. Okay lang. Tip ko naman to, di ba?